sound. Check one, check two, mic check one.
Check, 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 check. Can you hear me now?
Not here, 1 second.
Check, 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 check.
So here we are coming with the final match of day number 1. The match between Lohagarh Heroes versus Sri Sham Fighters. So I am your host for this match, Anchor Harshit Sharma. एक बार फिर से हम आप सभी का स्वागत करना चाहेंगे इस महामुकाबले में। पहला ये दिन है, आज के दिन का ये अंतिम मुकाबला है और लोहागढ़ हीरोज यहाँ पर तैयार है वापसी का पिंगल बजाने के लिए और वहां पर श्री श्याम फाइटर्स चाहेंगे यहाँ पर अपनी विनिंग स्ट्रीक को कंटिन्यू करें। सो हियर वी आर इनवाइटिंग द टीम्स एंड द फर्स्ट टीम वी आर इनवाइटिंग लोहागढ़ हीरोज। यहाँ पर लोहागढ़ हीरोज की अब यहाँ पर एक बड़ी महत्वपूर्ण जीत प्राप्त किया जाए। पिछला मुकाबला हारी जरूर है और एक कमाल का खेल का प्रदर्शन था इनकी टीम के कप्तान द्वारा। टीम के डिफेंडर्स ने भी अच्छी तरह से यहाँ पर पॉइंट्स लिए थे और कुछ बड़े बड़े सितारे आज भी आपको नजर आएंगे इनकी टीम में। और चलिए यहाँ पर तैयार है लोहागढ़ हीरोज, तो चलिए अब बुला लेते हैं हमारी अगली टीम को। सो हियर वी आर इनवाइटिंग श्री श्याम फाइटर्स। With the thunder of applause here we are inviting the teams. Okay, so यहाँ पर दोनों ही टीमें तैयार हैं और किस प्रकार से आज के इस बड़े मुकाबले की एक बार फिर से शुरुआत होगी जानेंगे अब आप सभी के साथ during the commentary.
Good evening. Welcome to Sawai Mansingh Stadium here at the Pink City, Jaipur. And here we are at K7, the Kabaddi qualifiers of the Rajasthan leg. And the top two teams will be facing the stage up at Gurgaon in the upcoming K7 World Series. And this is how the day has spanned by. The first day today here at Sawai Mansingh Stadium. And look at Bajrang Rockers. They have achieved 2 wins in both the matches. And the match against Ranasanga Spartans was a thriller one. They just won it by 1 point. And Lohagarh Heroes today have lost both the matches. In fact, this is their second match and have lost their first match that was against Bajrang Rockers. But Sri Ram Fighters, in fact, Sri Ram Fighters are coming in for this second match of the day and they have also registered a win. So here we are. Onto your left of the screen, it is Lohagarh Heroes. Onto your right of the screen, it is Sri Ram Fighters. So this is going to be a cracker of a match. I am your Naveen Shauri, the commentator for today on Fan Code and K7 Kabaddi qualifiers for the Rajasthan leg. And here we look at the Lohagarh Heroes. Hariom Chowdhury and Deepak Yadav and Bhagat Singh all lined up. The referees all lined up and the captains will be called in now for the tossing ceremony. Yeah, both the captains coming in. So the mandatory toss. Lohagarh Heroes will make the call, in fact. And Vikas Kumar of Lohagarh Heroes has won the toss and he's elected the court. So the lead, the first raid will be coming in from Sri Sham Fighters. So this is lovely to watch. Both the captain came in and here we are, the lineup of Lohagarh Heroes. Hariom Chowdhury, Deepak Yadav, Bhagat Singh, all lined up. Captain Vikas Kumar, he himself is a very good raider. And Nitin Kumar, Rakesh Kumar, good. And also Himanshu Chowdhury, making sure they form a very strong starting 7 for Lohagarh Heroes. And let's have a look at Sri Sham Fighters. So Jasveer Singh Nirwan, the defender there at left corner, he'll be starting in also in the starting 7. Vijay Pal Judge, Tejpal Dhaka, Vishnu Kumar Sharma, Manish Sharma and Rahul Sharma will be making sure that raiding and the defense department along with Jitendra Singh on the right corner will be very, very lethal on this. So Vikas Kumar B will be the player to watch out for, the captain of Lohagarh Heroes on this match, the jersey number 13 for us, total rate points of 17 out of just 11 rates. And look at that strike rate. He's fantastic in that rating department. And Hariom Chowdhury also will be the player to watch out for from Lohagarh Heroes once again on jersey number 18 for us, because he is in that left corner. He's a fantastic defender. Total tackles, attempted tackles are 6, and he's got 5 tackle points as well. And I have my fellow commentator, my friend, to this evening coming in is Rahul. But let me just also look at Vijay Pal Jat from Sri Sham Fighters. He's also put in 20 rate points out of the 16 raids that he's done, and fantastic strike rate, and he's got 4 super rates. Oh, that's lovely. Tejpal Dhaka will also be impressed with this, because Jasveer Singh Nirwan will be the player to watch out for on the defense, because he's got a 100% average out rate, I should be saying, because he's got 2 super tackles and tackle points of 9 out of total tackles of 12. So let me introduce you to Rahul, my fellow commentator. Rahul, good evening. Welcome to Fancore app, and it's a lovely time to talk to you, Rahul.
Hi Naveen, and yes, energy is on.
Yeah, totally on. राहुल जी, क्या
Certainly.
लग रहा है? मतलब सवाई मानसिंह स्टेडियम चकाचक से, मतलब पिंक सिटी में है, और लोहागढ़ हीरोज, they are searching their first win. So they have lost their first match to Bajrang Rockers in the morning, but they will be looking for a turnaround this time.
जरूर। यहाँ पर जो अब मुकाबलों का जो स्तर है वो ऊपर से ऊपर ही जाने वाला है, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से हमने यहाँ पर सुबह से मुकाबले देखे हैं, एक बेंचमार्क सेट करते गए हैं और ताबड़तोड़ मुकाबले अब दिखने वाले हैं।
Wow,
Because
exactly.
case 7 is on and energies are high, Josh is really high.
Ah, yes, sir. How's the Josh? Hi, sir. Yeah, fantastic.
Yeah,
And
it's high.
really, really high to watch here, Rahul, because future kabaddi stars, and the biggest kabaddi league of the franchisee league is going to start around the corner. Just a couple of days left, and these guys definitely will be targeting, of course, the next season. In fact, not this season. They might be even in the probables. So all happening for these young superstars.
यस, वी आर विशिंग कि जिस तरीके से K7 ने ये सब चीज़ें ऑर्गेनाइज की हैं, एंड द वे वी आर विटनेसिंग सम टॉप नॉच मैचेस और अपकमिंग स्टार्स, बडिंग स्टार्स, और सडनली इनको हम आगे बहुत ऊपर इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे हम देखने वाले हैं, और एक जो फाउंडेशन रखी गई है यहाँ पर, दैट इज समथिंग फिनोमिनल।
Absolutely, absolutely phenomenal. And Savai Mansingh Stadium, we really thank from the K7 team and the organizing team and the production team for making sure we have all followed the COVID norms really, really well, because for with all the new variants that has been turning around and making its way, we are making sure Kabaddi takes the center stage and nothing else. So thank you so much once again from the whole of K7 Kabaddi team, for the whole federation, and also the whole team that has made sure this Kabaddi K7 Kabaddi qualifiers of the Rajasthan leg happens at Savai Mansingh Stadium with no issues at all. And also thanks to all the referees, they've been hard toiling, Rahul, from the morning. So उनको भी हमारा हृदयपूर्वक धन्यवाद।
बिल्कुल। और जो आज का मुकाबला, चौथा मुकाबला होने वाला है, और बिल्कुल उम्मीद होगी कि एक नेल बाइटिंग फिनिश यहां पर देखने को मिले। तो बस कुछ ही पल हम दूर इस चौथे मुकाबले से, जी हां, लोहागढ़ हीरोज और श्री शाम फाइटर्स के बीच में।
Exactly. And Lohagarh Heroes, Rahul, have kind of won the toss, and their captain Vikash Kumar had no hesitation whatsoever to select the court. So we will be looking at that first raid from Rahul Sharma. Is it from Sri Sham Fighters? Yes, I guess he's there, ready on that jersey number 37. Rahul Sharma is all set, but also Vishnu Kumar is also behind him. So it's very interesting to see who will be making that first raid. And I guess it's 37 for us. It's Rahul Sharma will be making that first raid. Yes, that's the first raid coming in. Right raider will be targeting the left corner for sure. This is going to be interesting. The kick comes in, the back kick. This is going to be interesting. 30-second raid here. We all know that the Raider also has to keep that Kabaddi chant going, Rahul. I guess he's going in for that bonus. Gives nothing. Gives nothing. Should be an empty raid, the first raid.
बिल्कुल। और यहां पर अब लोहागढ़ हीरोज तैयार अपनी रेड के लिए। और क्या ये 30 सेकंड के जो होते हैं पूरे तरीके से यहां पर धड़कन को हिला देते हैं। एक अच्छा प्रयास यहां पर। जी हां, एक बार फिर से यहां पर एम्प्टी रेड देखने को मिली।
And वो भी कैप्टन विकास कुमार के ओर से. So for Lohagarh Heroes, that's an empty raid. Here comes in Vishnu Kumar for Sri Sham Fighters. He's a left raider, so he brings in a lot of variety. There you go, the right corner, nabs him and throws him across. That's a first point for Lohagarh Heroes. What a tackle that was coming in from Himanshu Chaudhary there. Fantastic ankle hold.
जी हाँ, क्या खेल का स्तर यहां पर देखने को मिल रहा है। लगातार एक के बाद एक मुकाबले जो हुए हैं आज के दिन में, एक अलग ही स्तर देखने को मिला है और बोनस की कोशिश।
I guess he's got it, Rahul. आपको क्या लग रहा है? मुझे लग रहा है मिला है. और yeah, he's got that, the first raid point for Lohagarh Heroes as well. Once again, it is Rahul Sharma coming in because his fellow raider Vishnu Kumar on the bench, because that was a fantastic thigh hold, ankle hold converted. In fact, that was Hariom Chaudhary from that left corner who did that damage in that tackle point. But now we have another raider, Rakesh Kumar, coming in for Lohagarh Heroes with just 6 men on court. And has he got that hand touch running? No, does not appeal it. Now this is interesting, Rahul, क्योंकि they need a point. Sri Sham Fighters need some points on the board, and Vijay Pal Jat comes into raid.
बिल्कुल, और यहां पर जरूर इसको कन्वर्ट करना चाहेंगे और अच्छी चुस्ती इस खिलाड़ी की। और यहां पर होल्ड बढ़िया, और जी हां, एक पॉइंट यहां पर मिलता हुआ श्री श्याम फाइटर्स को।
करेक्ट, बहुत ही एडवांस टैकल था वो हरिओम चौधरी के द्वारा। देखिए, मतलब फिर से वो भी इतने सामने बॉक लाइन के। Oh, why could you do that mistake when the raider is coming to you? Hariom Chaudhary, who put in that fantastic tackle, has to go back on the bench now. Now, Lohagarh Heroes are down to 6 men with Rakesh Sharma into the raid. He has to make sure he will revive his left corner defender Hariom Chaudhary, but no, doesn't try too much. Just a few minutes into the game, and Rahul, मुझे लग रहा है कि wow, this is gonna be a multiple point raid for sure. Yes, it's a 2-point raid, and Sri Sham Fighters have taken the lead in this game for the first time. Just look at that. What a raid from Rahul Sharma, bringing in that right cover and right corner, both of them on the bench. It's a do-or-die raid now. Deepak Yadav comes in for Lohagarh Heroes.
और नवीन, अगर बात करें, ये पूरा खेल है आपके रिफ्लेक्सेस का, और आपके जितने चुस्त दुरुस्त रिफ्लेक्सेस उतने ही पॉइंट्स आपकी जेब में। और जी हाँ, एक पॉइंट यहां पर मिलता हुआ श्री श्याम फाइटर्स को।
Exactly, and the Lohagarh Heroes, Deepak Yadav was in that do-or-die raid. Look at that running hand touch. What a fantastic point that he achieved in a do-or-die raid. Under pressure, equalizer coming in for Lohagarh Heroes, and another ankle hold attempted. Valiant one, Deepak Yadav. Why would you do that? You've just saved your team from the do-or-die raid. You went in, got the raid point, and he does this mistake on that right corner. Not a regular right corner. Does that mistake, has to go back on the bench. Captain comes in now with just few men on the mat behind of him, but all 7 present for Sri Sham Fighters now, Rahul.
बिल्कुल, यहां पर बोनस लेने का अच्छा मौका, लेकिन जिस तरीके से यहां पर एक जाल सा बना रखा है, मौका देते नहीं हो। और जी हां, एम्प्टी रेड कर लौटे हैं।
और अंदर कौन आया अभी देखिए, मतलब yeah, Rahul Sharma again goes in for that hand touch, and he's got it, I guess. He's confident. He's also walked into the lobby. Yes, he's got it. He's got his man. Left corner has to go back. Once again, it's Hariom Chaudhary. Unbelievable turnaround here by Sri Sham Fighters. and it is that man who's doing the damage, Rahul Sharma, once again. But now it is all down to Rakesh Kumar now from Lohagad Heroes, and he's been nabbed and pinned down. Tejpal Dhaka coming in from that right corner, nabs Rakesh Kumar down. What a tackle! Look at that. From right in. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Right in surprise attack. But super
बिल्कुल भी
tackle.
यहां पर मौका दिया ही नहीं, चारों तरफ से ऐसे जकड़ लिया कि आपके पास कोई गुंजाइश नहीं थी निकलने की। हवा तक निकलने का वहां पे मौका नहीं तो इंसान कहां से निकल जाता।
Very well said. And on that note, Tejpal Dhaka has sent Bhagat Singh back on the bench. It was a fantastic opportunity for a super tackle for Lohagad Heroes, but no, it is now Bhagat Singh, the lone man, standing. But look at this, how he got that toe touch. He stretched his leg and made sure he got in that toe touch. Now, it is Captain Vikas Kumar. He will get the bonus, no doubt whatsoever. They are letting it go. And look at this! All out! The first all out induced, and Lohagad Heroes have been all out for the first time in this match by Sri Sam Fighters, Rahul.
जी हाँ, यहां पर ऑल आउट कर दिया और विपक्षी खेमे को मिलेंगे 2 एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट। और जी हाँ, जबरदस्त डोमिनेट करती हुई नजर आ रही है श्री शाम फाइटर्स। किसी भी तरीके की कोई गुंजाइश नहीं, कोई आप पे मर्सी नहीं दिखाई जाएगी, क्योंकि ये खेल है कबड्डी का।
Exactly. And a running hand touch. He's got that. Oh, Vijay Pal Jat. He was so confident in that running hand touch. Got the right corner going back. Himanshu Chaudhary could not retrieve back in time. Look at that. He went in like a lightning. He slipped on the mat, but he got his hand to his man. What a rate. What a rate. Now the difference is 11 points, and also Sri Sham Fighters are fighting it out because they have already won a match. And another ankle hold coming in right corner once again. That is Jitendra Singh. He's got his man once again. Look at that. Captain Vikas Kumar has to go back on the bench.
और वहीं पर नवीन अगर बात करें बॉडी लैंग्वेज की लोहागढ़ हीरोज की, वो इस वक्त थोड़ी सी डाउन जरूर नजर आ रही है शीरशाम फाइटर्स के अगेंस्ट, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं जो पहली जो हार देखी उन्होंने आज के दिन में, उसके बाद से एक जो मनोवैज्ञानिक चीज होती है वो उनको कहीं ना कहीं डोमिनेट कर रही है।
एग्जैक्टली वैज्ञान और मनोबल दोनों नहीं है, मैं ऐसे ही बोल सकता हूँ लोहागढ़ हीरोज के मामले में, बिकॉज दे हैव टू मेक अ कमबैक नाउ, बिकॉज दे नीड टू रिवाइव मैन. दे हैवंट स्कोर्ड अ पॉइंट आफ्टर दैट 4 point mark, because it's Rahul Sharma in the raiding department and Jitendra Singh on the defense for Sri Sham Fighters, who's making all the damage. Now this is really a good time for Rakesh Sharma to make a mark, but no, left corner says मैं भी हूँ खेल में, मैं भी 1 point लूंगा. जसवीर सिंह makes it a mark.
कितने जबरदस्त तरीके से यहां पर उनको बाहर कर दिया एंडलाइन के, आपके पास बाहर जाने का कोई मौका नहीं है, आपको यहां से बाहर जाना होगा।
Exactly. And did you notice that, Rahul? It was a reverse ankle hold. मतलब उन्होंने लीडिंग लेग नहीं, मतलब उन्होंने दूसरे एंकल को पकड़ के आउट किया था रेडर को. तो that was a really good ankle hold coming in from the left corner defender Jitendra Singh. Now this is a super tackle opportunity. Is this a point scoring opportunity for Lohagad Heroes? No. Vijay Pal Chat sends another man out, and Deepak Yadav comes in for Lohagad Heroes. Oh, गिफ्ट मिल गया यहाँ पे.
बिल्कुल यहाँ पर तोहफा मिलता हुआ, और फाइनली यहाँ पर इस कुछ कुछ पल होते हैं गेम में जहां पर आप अपना मोमेंटम दोबारा से गेन कर सकते हैं। तो शायद ये मौका बन सकता है लोहागढ़ के पास कि यहां से गेम में अच्छी वापसी करें और अपना जो डोमिनेशन है वो दिखाएं।
Actually, they have to dominate and they have to come back like a big tidal wave now, because the point difference is up to 11, and Vishnu Kumar just takes it easy and goes back empty-handed. But the pressure now is definitely on Deepak Yadav, who's coming to raid for Lohagad Heroes, because it is going to be tough for him with just 5 men on the court. Tries the scorpion kick, but Jitendra Singh is very, very vocal and very, very active on that right corner position. He is guiding the troops along. Really good to know.
और नवीन जिसके नाम में लोहा है, उससे हम हल्के मैच की उम्मीद नहीं कर सकते, क्या कहते हैं?
Very well said. Very well said. But toe touch, has he got that on a do or die raid? He's going for more. He's going in for more. It's a do or die raid. He's not confident about the toe touch that he attempted. Is Vijay Pal Jatt making sure he has to confidently touch it? Yes, he's got that man now. 1 point for Vijay Pal Jatt on the do or die raid, and he has to make sure Himanshu Chaudhary goes back on the bench. Is that? No, it's not. Himanshu Chaudhary stays back on the court. It's Nitin Kumar who's just gone back. Oh, such an attractive and exciting do or die raid that was. Lekin Hariom Chaudhary, normally a left corner defender, coming in because there are no raiders left for Lohagarh Heroes, Rahul.
बिल्कुल, और यहां पर पूरा मौका बनाने की कोशिश में है. जिस तरीके से यहां पर एम्प्टी रेड रहेगी, मौका था, यहां पर मौका बनाना चाह रहे थे कि यहां पर एक बोनस तो लिया जाए, लेकिन खाली लौटते हुए और सुपर टैकल का मौका है यहां पर, और बिल्कुल इसको पूरा बुनाना चाहिए इस वक्त लोहागढ़ हीरोज को. और क्या यहां पर बनाएंगे? बिल्कुल भी नहीं बनाएंगे. एक पॉइंट यहां पर श्री श्याम फाइटर्स को मिलता हुआ, तो क्या एक बार फिर से यहां पर जा रही है ऑल आउट के लिए?
Yeah, exactly. And Vijay Pal Jatt, look at that tumbling effort that was put in. And this is a do or die raid. Can you believe this for Lohagarh Heroes? And it is that man, Himanshu Chaudhary, your right corner defender, coming in for a do or die raid, because you should have made a mark in that super tackle attempt that happened before. The dash comes in. Has he crossed the midline? No. Says Raider will be going out.
नहीं, यहां पर मौका नहीं.
हाँ, look at that. और लेफ्ट कवर का डैश तो देखिए, फ्रॉम तेजपाल ढाका.
जबरदस्त डैश, पूरा नंबर. और जी हां, अब इस वक्त इस मौके को जरूर बुनाना होगा लोहागढ़ हीरोज को, क्योंकि दोबारा अगर ऑल आउट के लिए जाते हैं तो उनके लिए मुश्किलें जरूर बढ़ जाएंगी. और एक अच्छा प्रयास यहां पर, और जी हां, क्या एक या दो अंपायर का इशारा, एक का. जी हां, थोड़े से दूसरे पॉइंट के लिए इतने कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं लग रहे थे, बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
Weak attempt, Rahul, by the captain of Lohagarh Heroes, Vikas Kumar. He shouldn't have gone for that. But now, this is some silver lining. Is that, no, they have been all out. They have been all out here. Second time Lohagarh Heroes have been all out in this match. And timeout taken by Sri Sham Fighters. What a match. 21 points for Sri Sham Fighters, who did not start well. And Lohagarh Heroes started really well. Lekin, defense is not contributing here for Lohagarh Heroes. That is their biggest problem, because here Vijay Pal Jatt, Manish Sharma, Rahul Sharma, everybody making a mark. Look at that. This is what happened when Vijay Pal Jatt took that multiple point raid, and then the super tackle. They could not, convert this super tackle into points. Lohagarh Heroes struggling with the tackle points, and so does their heroes with the raiding as well.
लगातार यहां पर मौके श्री श्याम फाइटर्स बनाते चले गए और उसको कन्वर्ट करते चले गए, लेकिन लोहागढ़ हीरोज कहीं ना कहीं उनको वापसी करनी होगी इस मैच में, क्योंकि आप एक पहला मैच हार चुके हैं. मौका है यहां पर वापसी करने का. पूरा सेकंड हाफ और तकरीबन 6 मिनट का खेल अभी भी शेष, तो जरूर एक टूर्नामेंट में अच्छे तरीके से बने रहने के लिए यहां पर वापसी की बेहद जरूरी.
Exactly. And you know what I feel, Rahul? Really, Lohagarh Heroes need to just relax their anxiety to go in for that advanced super tackle. Because you're not going to get more points in the tackling points, right? You will be getting more points when you're raiding, like the captain is raiding now, Vikas Kumar. So he will have to make sure that he gets points and not get napped down like this. What a tackle! Once again, left corner coming in and pinning the captain down of the opposition. Wow, look at that. Jasveer Singh, tie hold, and the support comes in from Manish Sharma as well. So raiding has to fire, and now defense needs to just make sure they do not go and touch Vijay Pal Jatt in that anxiety to get more points.
बिल्कुल. और जिस तरीके से यहां पर हम जो पहले बॉडी लैंग्वेज की बात कर रहे थे, तो इवन रेड के लिए भी जा रहे हैं, तो उनकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज में वो बात नहीं नजर आ रही जो हमें लगातार श्री शाम फाइटर्स के रेडर्स में नजर आ रही है। पूरे तरीके
And
से
you can see
डोमिनेट कर
here
रही है इस वक्त, और लोहागढ़ हीरोज
exactly.
की बॉडी लैंग्वेज काफी ढीली।
Exactly, and Hariom Chaudhary was actually not happy with that decision because Tejpal Jat. Oh, is this a
और
multi-point
यहाँ
raid?
पर
It's a
बिल्कुल
fantastic raid for sure. They are counting the men, Rahul. I guess 4 points for sure. How many do you think,
बिल्कुल यहाँ
Rahul?
पे
I
लगता है
guess
कि
4
4
points.
खिलाड़ियों को चलता किया है।
Yes. Let us see. They are counting the men. Is it going to be the first super raid? Yes, it is a super raid, but 3, not a problem at all. But what a raid from Rakesh Sharma for Rakesh Kumar, in fact, for Lohagarh Heroes. 3-point raid. He brought Lohagarh Heroes back into this game with that super raid. That should be the raid. That is what I was talking about. I guess they are listening to me there, Rahul. The strategy has been clear.
Absolutely. और ये एक सिल्वर लाइनिंग हो सकती है उनके लिए, अगर यहां से वापसी करते हैं तो बिल्कुल ये सिर्फ इनके लिए, इस मैच के लिए नहीं, पूरा टूर्नामेंट के लिए एक प्लस पॉइंट रहेगा।
बिल्कुल रहेगा और रहना भी चाहिए, क्योंकि see now Vikash can just take it a little bit cool. He can go back, just work on your empty raids, just work on that do or die raid to try get some points, and make sure Vishnu Kumar now does not get much points because you are in full strength. You are the 7-man strength on your court, and as a captain, Vikas needs to understand and make sure he marshals his troops with this tackle coming in, successful tackle. It's a good dash by Nitin Kumar in that left cover position.
और देखिए यही होता है, पहले वहां पे 3 पॉइंट ले और अगली जो खिलाड़ी रेड के लिए आया उसको डिफेंस में पकड़ लिया। सो दिस इज व्हाट all about the sports, all about the game, all about the kabaddi.
Exactly. And Lohagarh Heroes coach is also trying to tell them that see, they have just 3 men left. मैं थोड़ा लिप रीडिंग भी कर लूंगा यहाँ पे बैठ के कमेंट्री बॉक्स से, तो बोल रहे हैं कि श्री शाम फाइटर्स में खाली 3 लोग बचे हैं. So you need to make sure that these kind of raids comes in and making sure we're just watching this point that was taken, the super raid. Now this was the turning point from Rakesh Kumar for Lohagarh Heroes, and then the cover coming in, left cover coming in with that dash. And first time ever, Sri Sham fighters have been reduced to 3 men on the court. And now Vikash Kumar has to be very, very careful, because they should not make sure that super tackle points go away, because 2 points will be awarded. And yes, he's got his man. He's got Tejpal Dhaka on the bench. One of the important raiders goes back on the bench. This is really good raiding by the captain of Lohagarh Heroes.
और अभी भी यहां पर तकरीबन 3 मिनट का खेल है, और अगर यहां पर अब ऑल आउट करते हैं तो अगले हाफ में एक अच्छे मोमेंटम के साथ जाएंगे सर्टनली, जिसकी हम बात कर रहे थे कि एक साइकोलॉजिकल आपको बेनिफिट मिलता है, वो बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि स्पोर्ट्स के अंदर ना सिर्फ जोश की ही बात है, इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर माइंड, कि आप जहां पर हैं आप किस तरीके से उस जगह को अपनी जकड़ में ले रहे हैं।
एग्जैक्टली, होश के साथ जैसे जोश है और जैसे जयपुर है, जयपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट कबड्डी फेडरेशन को हम फिर से बहुत बहुत सारा धन्यवाद और थैंक यू बोलते हैं. सुपर टैकल सिचुएशन ऑन, विकास कुमार इज इनसाइड एंड विजय पाल झट इज ऑन वन हैंड, एंड लुक एट दैट error by Jitendra Singh. He has to go out. Vikas Kumar should not go back. He can go in for the all out. Yes, he can go in for the all out. This is really good thinking. This is fantastic thinking by the captain of Lohagarh Heroes. All out is Sri Sham Fighters.
और बिल्कुल यहां पर वापसी करती नजर आ रही है, और अभी भी 2 मिनट शेष, और कहीं ना कहीं काफी करीब पहुंच सकते हैं इस वक्त श्री शाम फाइटर्स के. 16 ओवर पहले ही पहुंचा हुआ 16 लोहागढ़ हीरोज, और देखिए किस तरीके से जकड़ लिया. आपके पास कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है वापस जाने की.
Oh, that is like you're stuck in a pack of wolves, and look at that block coming in, very very strong from Himanshu Chaudhary from that right corner, and making sure the raider did not have any option at all. As Rahul, you were saying that कोई गुंजाइश ही नहीं वापस जाने की. बोनस की अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे दीपक यादव, but that raid from Rakesh Kumar, which got the super raid of the match, changed things around for Lohagarh Heroes. This is really good going, and Vijay Pal Jatt comes in now. The defense has settled down, Rahul. This was what I was trying to tell. The strategy in the game is simple. Defense, if your defense is not going well, you need to settle down. And look at this. Deepak Yadav on an ankle hold from left in
And back to
position.
back they are scoring their points. और नितिन
Yes.
नवीन, एक और बात है कि आप अगर देखें यहाँ पर इनकी जर्सी का कलर पिंक है, तो जयपुर कुछ
Yeah.
तो उनको फेवर करेगा ना पिंक सिटी का.
100% 100% करना ही है. Lohagarh Heroes, good comeback, and Sri Sham Fighters now will be thinking where do they keep that lead up, because after this raid will be their last raid of the first half. Dash coming in, weak attempt, lovely retrieving skills, fantastic. Oh, that's a couple of points in that raid. Two men will have to go back. I thought it's Jasveer Singh from that left corner, but no. Also, there is a multi-point raid coming in. Vikash Kumar has got 2 points in that raid. Last raid of the first half, Rahul. And Vishnu Kumar into the raid.
और देखिए किस तरीके से यहाँ पर पूरे हडल बना रखी है, कोई मौका नहीं देने वाले इस रेडर को. डिफेंस और खिलाड़ियों की जो बॉडी लैंग्वेज पूरे तरीके से चेंज हो गई है. और यहां पर पहला हाफ समाप्त होता हुआ 20 पर लोहागढ़ हीरोज और श्री श्याम फाइटर 24 पर. क्या जबरदस्त खेल देखने को मिला.
Lovely comeback,
20
Rahul.
मिनट
I
के
must say
अंदर
this. हाँ.
बिल्कुल जिस तरीके से हम बात करें कि सिर्फ 20 मिनट के अंदर ही एक वापसी करती हुई नजर आई लोहागढ़ हीरोज.
Exactly. और मुझे पता भी नहीं चला 20 मिनट कैसे खत्म हो गया. And this was the raid I was talking about. Rakesh Kumar's multi-point raid, making sure Lohagarh Heroes made a fantastic comeback. And after that raid, what happened to the defense? They are like fighting it out fantastically. And Rahul, you were saying Pink supports Lohagarh Heroes, and of course, I think some luck is going their way in the defense as well, because this defense looked very, very weak in that first half. I mean to say, the first 15 to 16 minutes. The defense was nowhere in contention, but that last 4 minutes and 5 minutes, that raiding of Rakesh Sharma and Vikas Kumar made sure the defense also settled down, and just a 4-point lead for Sri Sham Fighters going in to that first half. And we'll be slipping in for a small little break, and we'll be coming back very, very soon. Don't go back anywhere. Keep logged on to fan code app. It is 20 for the Lohagarh Heroes and 24 for Sri Sham Fighters. I am your Navin Shori along with Rahul. Don't go back anywhere. We'll be back soon on the fan code app at this K7 Kabaddi qualifiers of the Rajasthan leg.
और चलिए अब हमारे साथ ऑन कोर्ट यहाँ पर हमारे साथ कुछ डिग्निटरीज मौजूद है, उनका भी हम तहे दिल से स्वागत करना चाहेंगे. मिस्टर दिलीप शर्मा जी, द डीसी उपायुक्त ऑफ नगर निगम जयपुर हेरिटेज हवा महल जोन, और उनका तहे दिल से हम स्वागत करते हैं. हम नेमी गुजर सर से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहेंगे प्लीज आप राजस्थान की आन बान शान दुपट्टा पहनाकर उनका हार्दिक स्वागत करें. एंड थंडर ऑफ अपलॉज फॉर दिलीप शर्मा जी प्लीज. And here we are with the next one. Here we have with Yuvraj Ji, the RO of Nagar Nigam Jaipur Hawa Mahal Zone. Have some thunder of applause for them, please. And the next one in the list, Ajit Singh Ji, the RI Nagar Nigam Jaipur Hawa Mahal Zone. और हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं यहाँ पर दिनेश पारीक जी, उनका भी हम तहे दिल से स्वागत करना चाहेंगे. We are very honored to honor you, sir. और राजीव शर्मा जी भी यहाँ पर हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं, और राजीव शर्मा जी का भी हम ऑनर करना चाहेंगे. और मैं चाहूंगा हमारी ऑडियंस से जरा जोरदार तालियां हो जाए फॉर राजीव शर्मा जी प्लीज. एंड मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, और हाफ टाइम बड़ा कमाल करा, दोनों टीम्स बहुत ही लाजवाब खेल रही है. लेट्स मूविंग फर्दर. अब यहाँ पर देखना चाहेंगे दोनों ही टीम्स बिल्कुल कमाल का खेल का प्रदर्शन कर रही है, और जो टीम्स यहाँ पर अपनी नर्व्स को होल्ड कर पाएगी, बेहतर प्रेशर में खेल का प्रदर्शन कर पाएगी, वो इस मुकाबले को फिनिश अच्छा करना चाहेंगे.
honoring the chief guests and the respectable people coming in to watch this fantastic game of kabaddi. Thank you so much with all your support to the game and for the entire Kabaddi Federation and fraternity. That without the respected people and honored people like you, this might not be possible. Thank you so much, sir, for gracing the occasion here. And let's come back to this match where Lohagarh Heroes have made a brilliant comeback. Now they will be on the right side of the screen on that jersey. Pink City, pink jersey. But Srisham fighters will be wondering where the match got slipped away. It was all because of Rakesh Kumar's super raid. The 3-point raid converted that tidal wave of winning streak towards Sriram fighters. And I'll be once again welcoming all the fan code app Kabaddi lovers to make sure you please download the app. Of course, you've been downloading this app, लेकिन आपके रिश्तेदारों को बताएं, आपको आपके दोस्तों को बताएं कि ये ऐप प्लीज आप डाउनलोड करके कबड्डी की तरह इस अद्भुत खेल को मुफ्त में देख सकते हैं ऑन K7 कबड्डी qualifiers of the Rajasthan leg, and I have Rahul along with me. Rahul, Srisham fighters को कुछ करना ही चाहिए अभी क्योंकि Vishnu Kumar is on the court. That's really nice to see, and also Jitender Singh is there on the court and Tejpal Dhaka. All three important men on court still for Srisham fighters.
बिल्कुल यहां पर आप देखिए सेकेंड हाफ की शुरुआत हुई है और लोहागढ़ हीरोज की पूरी टीम पहले पहुंच गई, वहीं अभी भी कुछ प्लेयर्स का आना शेष है। और जी हाँ, एक बार फिर से मैच शुरू और 3 खिलाड़ी श्रीशाम फाइटर्स के यहां से शुरू होगा खेल। 24 पे पहुंचा हुआ है श्रीशाम और क्या वापसी की है यहां पर ये पिंक जर्सी ने।
Yeah.
20 पॉइंट, 4 पॉइंट का सिर्फ डिफरेंस।
Exactly, Rahul. And Lohagarh Heroes is captain now, winning the toss and selecting the court makes it so happening because the second half's first raid is your raid. And is there a super tackle attempt coming in? What a fantastic angle hold by Jitender Singh. Wow! Super tackle, 2 points. And Srisham fighters have started off the second half with a bang.
बिल्कुल, यहां पर हाफ के बाद कुछ ना कुछ स्ट्रैटेजी जरूर बनी होगी और टिप्स मिली होगी कोच की तरफ से कि अब आपको करना क्या है, क्योंकि आपके पास इसके अलावा कुछ ज्यादा स्कोप मिलेगा नहीं।
Exactly, and that super tackle revives Rahul Sharma coming in from Sriram fighters, and has he made that? Yes, he's made that. This is going to be a multi-point raid. This is definitely going to be a super raid. They are counting the men. It is definitely more than 2 for sure. It is a super raid along with me in that naked eyes. Yes, it's going to be 3-point raid. Oh, this is disaster for Lohagarh Heroes. It's a super raid by Rahul Sharma. Look at that. 3 people going out. It is Hariom Chaudhary and also Vikas Kumar, main people going out for Lohagarh Heroes.
बिल्कुल यही मजा है इस खेल का कि पल पल बदलता है आपके पास। आपने पलक झपकी और यहाँ पर गेम बदल गई। जिस तरीके से यहाँ पर लोहागढ़ के लिए बदली थी, अब वही पलड़ा इस वक्त जाता हुआ श्रीराम फाइटर्स के लिए। और क्या कर लिया है टैकल, जी हाँ, पूरे तरीके से और अच्छे तरीके से टैकल कर लिया है। आपके पास कोई गुंजाइश नहीं।
Lovely chain tackle there by Manish Sharma. Look at that on the right cover. He goes in with the chain along with Tejpal Dhaka and covers the raider completely and pins him down. Can you believe this? When the second half started, super tackle was on the Srisham fighters court, and now just one man standing for Lohagarh Heroes. And this second half, I don't know what Srisham fighters' coach has said them to do, but they are following this to the T, Rahul. Wow, what a turnaround. Last man standing for Lohagarh Heroes, and this is really, really good to see. Nitin Kumar will also be napped down, and Lohagarh Heroes face a third all-out in this match. Third time they've been all-out, and Srisham fighters are storming in.
बिल्कुल यहां पर यही खेल का मजा है। आप कुछ भी एंटिसिपेट नहीं कर सकते यहां पर, जब तक पूरे 40 मिनट खत्म नहीं हो जाते। अंतिम पल तक मुकाबला चलता ही रहेगा। और जी हाँ, यहां पर बढ़िया तरीके से टैकल करने की कोशिश और कर लिया अपनी जकड़ में।
Lovely, lovely. That was from the left in. That was really nice to see where Deepak Yadav put in that tackle, ankle hold, and the support coming in from the covers. That is really good. Vikas Kumar, the captain, comes in. Much needed ankle hold. That was the first point scored by Lohagarh Heroes in the second half. And he's got a bonus point as well. That was just the second point in the second half scored by Lohagarh Heroes. In comes Vijay Pal Jhat for Sri Sham Fighters. Lekin, what am I thinking now, Rahul, is Sri Sham Fighters will take it slow. They will want to play on the do or die raid. Look at that. This is bad tackling, and the defense needs to settle down. On that bonus attempt, if somebody would have gone in for that advanced tackle, you would have again given a free gift. Vikas Kumar now captain into the raid.
और बिल्कुल यहां पर एक एम्प्टी रेड बनती हुई कोशिश अच्छी थी, लेकिन जानते हैं इस वक्त जो लीड है वो लीड में फिर से फासला आ चुका है 12 पॉइंट का। और सेकंड हाफ चलता हुआ जरूर कोशिश होगी कि यहां पर जल्दी से जल्दी यहां पर 2-3 सुपर टैकल या बड़ी रेड्स लगाई जाए।
मैंने मतलब फर्स्ट हाफ में भी एक पैंतरा आजमाने का बातचीत किया था आपसे, और उसको लोहागढ़ हीरोज ने सुन के मतलब पता नहीं सुने कि नहीं, बट द स्ट्रैटेजी वर्कड आउट. Now the strategy need to work out. It's a multi-point raid by Vikas Kumar, the captain. He's asking in for the bonus as well. Yes, this is a super raid. Definitely one bonus and 2 touch points. 2 defenders needs to go out on the bench for Shriram Fighters, and the captain has done it once again. It's a do or die raid for Shriram Fighters. Can you believe this? After a multi-point raid, it's a do or die raid for Vijay Pal Jhat. In fact, this is interesting. This is interesting. Now the defense should not fumble across. They should not go in for that advanced tackle. Let the raider take the risk. It's all on Vijay Pal Jhat to make sure he scores points, and he succeeds. Ah, does he succeed? Does he succeed? No. Timeout. It's going to be a referral. Let's listen in. Let's listen in to the referees if they are coming on top, for the referees to decide on the replay.
और
He was claiming that running hand touch. Rahul, what do you think?
जो यहां से ऐसा लग रहा है कि शायद ये पॉइंट नहीं गया है, और बिल्कुल यहां पर पूरा फायदा मिलता हुआ लोहागढ़ हीरोज का। अब जाके ये लीड पहुंच चुकी है 10 का फासला 25 पर लोहागढ़ हीरोज, और श्रीराम फाइटर्स इस वक्त 35 पर।
Exactly. The pressure was on, and Vikas Kumar, the captain, leading in from the front for Lohagarh Heroes, gets another running hand touch, and it has to be Jasveer Singh who's going to make the way back on the bench. What a lovely running hand touch. Quick, swift. He got his man in a swift. Rahul Sharma now comes in for Shriram Fighters to make sure he revives some man, Rahul. But this match is definitely going in one way, that is Shriram Fighters' way. Now, if Lohagarh Heroes needs to make a comeback, they need to let the raider go. Should not be doing this, but this time they're successful.
जबरदस्त टैकल किया और 1 पॉइंट यहां पर मिलेगा। और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि जिस तरीके से यहां पर एक बार फिर से बदलाव नजर आता दिख रहा है इन पिंक जर्सी में लोहागढ़ हीरोज।
Exactly. Nitin Kumar from that right cover put in that tackle, and now a super tackle opportunity for Shriram Fighters. But Vikas will be looking in this as a all-out opportunity. He goes in deep and uses the lobby. Comes out. Fantastic. Crosses the midline using the lobby. It's a 2-point raid. Vikas Kumar has got 2 points for him. Look at that. Running hand touch. Gets it. And also Jitendra Singh gives him a point. All-out opportunity here for Lohagarh Heroes. They can inflict that second all-out on Shriram Fighters, but Vijay Pal Jhat will run the clock down. He will make sure he utilizes that last second of that 30-second raid. But Nitin will not leave it. Nitin Kumar coming in from that right cover position. Another dash and an all-out. Second all-out for Shriram Fighters. Good comeback once again by Lohagarh Heroes, Rahul.
और देख रहे हैं नवीन, यहां पर अब जो सिर्फ गैप रह गए सिर्फ 3 पॉइंट्स का, जो एक टाइम में 12 पॉइंट्स का नजर आ रहा था। 35 पर
बिल्कुल
श्री शाम फाइटर्स और लोहागढ़ इस वक्त 32 पर। तो किस तरीके से यहां पर गेम
एग्जैक्टली
फिर से बदली है। तो लगातार यहां पर जो लोहागढ़ हीरोज है वो गिव अप करते हुए नजर नहीं आ रहे हैं, और बिल्कुल इनकी जो पिंक जर्सी इनको फेवर जरूर कर रही है जयपुर सिटी में।
100%। और गिव अप नहीं, ये तो मतलब कबड्डी स्टेज अप के लिए है, मैच वर्ल्ड सीरीज के लिए, सो दे विल नॉट गिव अप ऑन दैट राहुल, आई गेस, बिकॉज दिस इज द second half's highlights. That was Vikash Kumar getting in that multi-point raid, and this is going to definitely be a nail-biting finish, because Vikas Sharma is the only man raiding and getting in points for Lohagarh Heroes. If Sri Sham fighters need to maintain that lead, it's this man's return that they'll be wanting for. But will that happen? This man will be targeted for sure. That's no doubt. And Vikas Kumar very intelligently comes back.
बिल्कुल टू टच की कोशिश थी वहां पर कि साथ में बोनस पॉइंट भी लिया जाए, लेकिन जानते हैं इस वक्त एक अच्छा मोमेंटम है, एक भी एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट उनके लिए मुश्किलात फिर से खड़ी कर सकता है। तो यहां पर जो अब तकरीबन 11 मिनट का खेल रह जाएगा, तो अब दोनों टीमों की स्ट्रैटेजी पूरे तरीके से काम करेंगी, ना सिर्फ जोश, साथ में होश भी।
Exactly. And all this hosh and josh, you can find it on the fan code app for free. Vikas Kumar coming into raid for Lohagarh Heroes. This man is making a mark out of it, because he is the captain and he's taking the load. Left raider trying to hit out that left cover. He's really targeting that left cover, but the really intelligent defense. I spoke too early. Manish Sharma making that error. I was having my eye on him, Rahul. Look at that. Left cover pe Manish Sharma going in for that advanced tackle, giving away points to Vikas Kumar. Now the lead narrows down to just to 2 points now.
और बिल्कुल अब जो फासला सिर्फ 2 पॉइंट्स का, और तकरीबन 11 मिनट का खेल, 66वीं रेड इस वक्त होती हुई, और क्या यहां पर बोनस मिला है? जी नहीं।
Exactly.
कोशिश अच्छी।
Deepak Yadav tried for that bonus there, Rahul, but was unsuccessful. But do or die raid, Vijay Pal Jatt comes in, and now with 7 men on court, it's okay if he kind of gets the bonus, but not more than that. Will not be nabbing him down. That is more important. Should not be going in for that. Goes in, successful. He's asking in for the bonus. Did he get that bonus? Is he? Yes, he's got that. That's what I was talking about. Vijay Pal Jatt will try for the bonus. That was a bonus attempt. He got that. Cover came in. Right cover came in with the dash. Do or die raid now for Vikas Kumar. क्या अब बाजी पलटेगी श्री श्याम फाइटर्स के लिए? Because if Vikas Kumar gets out, then there is curtains for Lohagarh Heroes at this crucial juncture. And there you go. The man who was doing more number of raids, getting in the points, has been napped down by Jasveer Singh. Very, very important tackle coming in from that left corner. Look at that. Jasveer Singh making the all-important tackle. Is that the tackle of the match, Rahul? What do you think?
बिल्कुल ऐसा लगता है कि यहां पर जिस तरीके से और इस मूवमेंट पर बड़े खिलाड़ी को अपनी जकड़ में लिया, तो यहां से शायद एक बार गेम फिर से पलटेगी।
बिल्कुल पलटेगी. And look at what Rahul Sharma is doing. He is just running the clock down. He very, very clearly knows Vikas Kumar is not on the mat to raid in for Lohagarh Heroes. It is going to be Deepak Yadav, a much lesser experience. Has he gone into the lobby? Look at that. Look at that. Self out. No hand touch. No contact with the defender. Going into the lobby. So sorry. You need to go back. Yadav ji on the bench.
और नवीन देख रहे हैं कि अगर आपका बड़ा खिलाड़ी जाता है तो उसके बाद टीम में कैसे चेंजेस आते हैं। जो फ्रंट से लीड कर रहा था वो खिलाड़ी गया, तो उसी के बाद खुद गलती कर बैठे और 1 पॉइंट दूसरी टीम को दे दिया।
बिल्कुल. और विजय पाल जट की मतलब कोशिश तो देखिए अभी. नो, ही इज गोइंग टू अनसेटल दिस डिफेंस टोटली विद हिज स्पीड, बट लकीली फॉर लोहागढ़ हीरोज नथिंग हैपेंस. नो पॉइंट गोज अवे. It's a quick raid coming in from Hari Om Chaudhary. Yes, they are playing on the do or die raid. It's a good strategy because both the raiders are on the bench and it is a do or die raid now for Vijay Pal Jatt. Sri Sham fighters will want to make this a mark. No bonus on available. So, like he did in the previous occasion, Vijay Pal Jatt cannot get the bonus this time. He has to get that touch point to make sure he does not go back on the bench. If he goes out, Vikas Kumar will come in. So this is a very, very crucial situation for Lohagarh Heroes. If this time they could nab him, no! This was unexpected. This was not required and 2-point raid for Vijay Pal Jatt. Who was that culprit for Lohagarh Heroes? And definitely it is Hari Om Chaudhary. Hari Om Chaudhary running in from that left corner. You cannot dash a raider out from a corner's position. अगर
बिल्कुल ऐसा लगा कि अपने पांव पे खुद ही कुल्हाड़ी मार ली यहां पर। अच्छा भला यहां पर आपके पास पॉइंट आ सकता था, लेकिन पॉइंट लेने की बजाय यहां पर 2 पॉइंट देते नजर आए लोहागढ़ फार्म्स।
एग्जैक्टली और पॉइंट से अलावा क्या हो रहा था, सी दिस टैकल, दिस रेड इन फैक्ट वाज फॉर Vikash Kumar getting in that solo raid point. He was the only person who was getting all the raid points for Lohagarh Heroes. And in that Vijay Pal Jatt's do or die raid, if Hari Om Chaudhary wouldn't have done that mistake, Vikash Kumar could have come back on the mat. You know, that was more important than Rahul. That trick was missed out. Look at this. This was not expected. This was not required at all. Ah, that's a big error. That's a big error. Rakesh Kumar comes in with all the pressure back on Lohagarh Heroes. He has to revive Vikas Kumar. There's no other strategy required. No bonus also being given. Super tackle situation.
यहाँ पर आपका बड़ा खिलाड़ी मैट पर नहीं है और उसको रिवाइव कराना सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी इस वक्त, क्योंकि फिर से फासला ये बढ़ता जा रहा है। आपकी नजर टाइमर पर होनी चाहिए। टाइम यहाँ पर ज्यादा नहीं बच रहा है और 6 पॉइंट का फासला एक बार फिर से, जो एक वक्त सिर्फ 2 पॉइंट्स का रह गया था। और आपके जो टॉप रेडर लगातार जो विकास यहाँ पर पॉइंट बना रहे थे, वो इस वक्त मैट पर नहीं है।
Exactly. It's the man Nitin Kumar who's doing the talking there in the mat, because Captain Vikas Kumar is on the bench and do or die raid now for Rakesh Kumar. He has to make sure at least he touches one of the defenders in that Sri Sham fighters 10, because this is really important, because if he goes out, only 2 men will be left behind and Lohagarh Heroes will be staring in for that 4th all out altogether. And has he done it? No! Look at that ankle hold from Jasveer Singh coming in on that left corner. Wow! That was marvelous to watch. Reverse ankle hold, successful. Go down on the bench, says Jasveer Singh. 2 men left now for Lohagarh Heroes. And I'm happy to see Nitin Kumar, who's been there as a very good defender for Lohagarh Heroes, on the mat for them. He can save some daylight. And this is going to be really, really interesting to watch. And the man who I trusted made that error, Rahul. I'm so sorry. मेरे भरोसे मतलब कोई ना रहे.
नहीं, आपके भरोसे की वजह से ही एक बार लोहागढ़ फार्म्स ने वापसी की थी और दोबारा भी की थी, लेकिन तीसरी बार की उम्मीद इस बार थोड़ी सी कम नजर आ रही है। विजय गए हैं रेड पर और क्या यहाँ पर ऑल आउट हो सकती है लोहागढ़ हीरोज? जी हाँ, पूरे तरीके से श्री शाम फाइटर्स भारी दिख रहे हैं और बोनस लेने की कोशिश जरूर होगी यहाँ पर, थोड़ा यस नो करते हुए।
Rahul, I will. और
जकड़ लिया, पकड़ लिया। कहाँ जाएंगे आप यहीं पर रहेंगे।
Jasveer Singh, the man, Rahul. Look at that left corner pe. Once again, reverse ankle hold. This is a fantastic talent this lad has. Jasveer Singh, all out for the 4th time are Lohagarh Heroes in this match. And I should be, saying Vijay Saini came in as a substitute raider. He was a regular raider in the team, and the coach of Lohagarh Heroes substituted a defender for a raider. But that trick also did work out, and Vijay Saini here had to go down. And this is really the sight which Lohagarh Heroes does not want to see, because points came in heap, and this was a crucial mistake by Hari Om Chaudhary, because that was a do or die raid. Agar chhod dete Vijay Pal Jatt ko aise hi, Vikas Kumar could have been brought back on the mat and things would have been different. But now this is a big lead. It's a big lead, but they can manage it. It's still 4+ minutes left in this match, and they can really make a mark if Vijay Pal Jatt is napped down by this defense.
और बिल्कुल यहाँ पर अगर बात करें लोहागढ़ हीरोज की, तो जो उनके कप्तान है इस वक्त मैट पर जरूर हैं, और उनके पिक ऑफ द रेडर, और भले 4 मिनट रह गए हों इस गेम में, लेकिन शायद अब जो श्रीशाम फाइटर्स की स्ट्रैटेजी नजर आ रही है, वो टाइम ज्यादा वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं यहाँ पर।
Yeah, exactly. Simple strategy, but Vikas Kumar will come in to make quick raids and get that bonus. Yes, he's got it. No doubt about it. He's got that bonus. Bonus line, 1 foot on across the line. You're trailing foot in the air. Fantastic display of bonus, but that's not enough. That's not enough. Last 4 minutes left is what the referee is telling us. And exactly this is more important for Rahul Sharma. He's trying to unsettle this defense. Not required. He can just sit down and run the clock as Vijay Pal did. And that's what he will be doing as well. Look at that. His eye on the clock. And he's chanting in Kabaddi, Kabaddi. There's no problem at all for Shrisham fighters. Now, Rahul, now what should Vikas Kumar do is very simply go in, put in the quick raids, forget the bonus, get in some hand touches, and get in to cross that midline. No! He's been napped down once again. I think this is curtains. He has got the bonus, no doubt, but Shrisham fighters have napped him down, and that was Tejpal Dhaka coming in from left corner to nap the captain down. Guess this is curtains for Lohagarh Heroes with the captain back on the bench. But do or die raid. Vishnu Kumar Singh should have been left alone. Another mistake coming in by Nitin Kumar.
और बिल्कुल यहाँ पर जो श्रीशाम फाइटर्स की स्ट्रैटेजी नजर आ रही है, एक तो टाइम वेस्ट करना है और गलतियां करवाना है इस वक्त लोहागढ़ फार्म हीरोज की तरफ से, क्योंकि लगातार जो लोहागढ़ हीरोज को इस वक्त पॉइंट पे पॉइंट प्राप्त करने हैं, और उसी का फायदा उठाना चाहते कि श्रीशाम फाइटर्स की इस वक्त गलती होने के जो चांसेस हैं वो ज्यादा होंगे लोहागढ़ हीरोज की तरफ से।
Exactly, and Deepak Yadav Rahul will become a hero here if he does a miracle raid, is what I was supposed to say. But ये तो मतलब मिट्टी का रेड हो गया।
बिल्कुल, जी हाँ, किस तरीके से यहाँ पर गलती की उम्मीद कर रहे थे और गलती करवाई यहाँ पर लोहागढ़ हीरोज से। जी हाँ,
Not
सुपर
happening,
टैकल के लिए
not.
जरूर जाना चाहिए लोहागढ़ हीरोज को, क्योंकि आपके पास ज्यादा चारा है नहीं। गेम में अभी भी 2 मिनट बचे हैं, तकरीबन 5-6 रेड जरूर हो सकती हैं। पूरी कोशिश होनी चाहिए, आपके पास मौके हैं, बना सकते हैं। जो फासला है
Exactly.
वो इस वक्त 11 पॉइंट्स का है।
Yeah, and that 11-point lead can be frizzled down. This is a game of kabaddi. Everything can happen here with Rakesh Kumar coming into raid. Imagine if he puts a multiple point raid. Oh, that was so close. That was so close. He touched the midline, but he did not cross it. You have to cross the midline, my friend, to make that raid as a 4-point raid. It would have been just inches away. Inches away was Deepak Yadav. Oh, that was so close yet so far. And Vijay Pal
वहां
Jatt
पर
will just
डुबकी
make
लगाने
sure
के
he
लिए जा
runs the
रहे
clock
थे
down.
और हवा में ही पकड़ लिया उनको, कोई मौका नहीं दिया। और सुपर रेड के लिए सुपर टैकल करना होगा यहां पर लोहागढ़ हीरोज को, आपके पास ज्यादा वक्त नहीं है।
Exactly, Rahul. Just 1 minute left in this match, and we should be really interesting to watch that replay once again on the fan code app of what happened with Deepak Yadav also, and also Rakesh Kumar been getting in. Just one raider goes in for the tackle, 1 point. Yeah, Hariom Chaudhary can add a point to his raiding tally as well, but too little, too late. Now coming in for Lohagarh Heroes, but. This time it's going to be Vishnu Kumar. He will also be coming in for the do or die raid, and I'm sure this will be the last raid of the match. In fact, and Shrisham fighters, they have won one match against the Ranasanga Spartans in the morning. This will be definitely their second win of the day. He gets a point. Does Vijay Pal Jatt. Last raid of the match, Rahul.
बिल्कुल, और जिस तरीके से यहां पर हर 4-5 मिनट में हमने गेम को बदलते देखा है, और क्या गेम, जबरदस्त गेम। 50 पर श्रीशाम फाइटर्स, लोहागढ़ हीरोज, और क्या ये कितने पॉइंट से फासला कम होगा? जी हां, इस वक्त
Exactly.
39 पर, और जीती हुई श्रीशाम
That's-
फाइटर्स इस मैच को 11 पॉइंट से। कैसा रहा ये मैच, नवीन आप बताइए।
Alright, don't even tell me. I didn't even know that we have crossed 40 minutes into this match, and that's the end of it. Srisham Fighters have won this by 11-point huge margin. And Lohagarh Heroes, Rahul, my worry is they will not even get a single point out of this match. If it would have been 5 points or less, probably some points could have been coming out from this match for Lohagarh Heroes, because they have lost to Rockers, that is Bajrang Rockers in the morning, and they have lost to Srisham Fighters with a big margin. It's a good comeback that happened from Lohagarh Heroes, but just those small sparkles were not enough to make sure this firecrackers from Srisham Fighters would have been. So this is what I was talking about. Rakesh Kumar would have been a hero for Lohagarh Heroes if he had crossed the midline. He would have been getting 4 points in that raid, but couldn't have been asking for more. So close yet so far on this K7 Kabaddi qualifiers of the Rajasthan leg, and 11-point victory for Srisham Fighters. The second one of the day. Lohagarh Heroes, again their second loss after losing to Bajrang Rockers in the morning. So it was a fantastic game of Kabaddi, and look at what the raid points say. The raid points are more for Lohagarh Heroes. Where they lost, Rahul, is on the tackle points. 14 points for Srisham Fighters. Can you believe it? And in that 14 points, Vikas Kumar was nabbed more than twice. So there itself, make sure the raid points did not come for Lohagarh Heroes. The defense failing, and this is what I was talking about, wherein tomorrow's fixtures is also lined up. We do start in from 10 a.m. in the morning on the Fan Code app. The first match is going to be Lohagarh Heroes once again against Ranasanga Spartans, and the 12 o'clock match will be from Bajrang Rockers to Srisham Fighters, and also the Umaid Hawks will take up on the Shekhawati Yodhas at 7 o'clock. In fact, that's going to be at 5 in the evening, and at 7 in the evening, it's going to be Hatoti Challengers and Mewar Kings. So Mewar Kings and Hatoti Challengers will be the match where me, your Navin Shauri, will be visiting you guys on the Fan Code app. Rahul, it was fantastic to talk to you, buddy. It was really nice, and आपको भी मतलब मुबारक इस K7 कबड्डी क्वालिफायर्स राजस्थान लेग में मेरे साथ बात करने के लिए. I was really thrilled to talk to you, buddy.
या सेम हेयर ब्रदर. और रियली क्या मैच हमने विटनेस किए यहाँ पर, ज़बरदस्त मुकाबले, और उम्मीद है कि आने वाले दिनों में इससे भी टॉप नॉच मुकाबले लगातार जो बेंचमार्क यहाँ पर टीम सेट करती जा रही हैं, उससे ऊपर के मुकाबले लगातार देखने को मिलते रहेंगे हमें.
Exactly. Upar K super matches are all on the K7 Kabaddi qualifiers in the Rajasthan leg. And mind you, the top 2 teams will go in for the World Series at K7 Kabaddi stage up. It's thank you here by the Fan Code viewers, and thank you so much. I'm your Navin Shauri and Rahul signing off. And thank you by the K7 Kabaddi team, overall team, the referees and the data analysts and the whole production unit. Good night. Have a fantastic night ahead. See you tomorrow on the Fan Code app, right here from Savai Mansingh Stadium on this K7 Kabaddi qualifiers of the Rajasthan leg. Good night, one and all.